guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be making a good snack. And I already took the lettuce out. That's the lettuce. I didn't even show you the lettuce. This is the lettuce. It's really bad. Just trying to take out the bad parts. And then I'm going to make this really good, yummy, whatever thing making. And so let's start it. My friend introduced me to this really good thing. So now we're gonna start. Just first, let's cut it. Okay. The lettuce. We're wasting lots of lettuce right now, but it's okay.
It's not okay, Bella. It's okay.
So you want to get all the little parts that you want, except this part because it's really bad. I want the greens. Like, that's all the green. Okay, and then so you just want to get lettuce, put it in like one of these type of thingies. We're just going to put this lettuce back where it belongs. I'm not wasting any lettuce, you guys.
It's really good. Really. Don't mind why I'm wearing this because it's like, I guess, I heard it makes your hair thin. So you guys should go try it out for yourself. Take a shower and then put this on. I already took a shower. And then put this on. Hey.
Now, I already washed it, but for you guys to see, this is the thing you should put it in. Oh my god, and then you want to rinse it with water. And try to let it really well. You want to really well. So then you're done with that. You just want to get a paper towel or anything you have.
To just dry it out, but it has to be clean.
And since this is clean, I'm going to use this, but we're switching sides to this bit because I have no space that big. It's so skinny. Okay, so now that's a little thing. And so now we're going to add the lettuce in there. And by the way, I forgot to say, wash your hands before you do this. Then you want to flip it over like that. You guys want to make sure it's all dried. Roll it up into a burrito, and then when it's dry, you want to flip it over, and it should be dried. Ooh. It's so good. Okay. It's ready. So I'm ready to put it. Now we're taking out of the white parts. I don't like them. Wait, here. My dog is about to break these glasses. Okay. So now you want to... You want to just dump all the lettuce in there. Dump all the lettuce that you wanted in the bowl when you're done drying it. Bro, why is it wet? Oh, I thought you peed. I was like, why is it wet? I go, better not to.
So now,
You want only a teensy bit of oil. Just a teensy, like that much. I think I put up too much, but it's okay. Let's say, I don't know where the cap is for this. Actually, I don't, so I'm just gonna mix it up. So now, my dog, hey! My dog tried to eat it, but he did it. Really good. So now we need salt. Okay, salt. Didn't see any salt. Okay. And then pepper. Tahini. Oh yeah, I forgot. My versions. I like adding seasoned salt too. Just a little bit because it's really good. I love it. It even smells so good. It's so good. We're gonna taste it. Oh. We also need the tapatio. I mean, not the tapatio, but the hot sauce. It's really good with it. I need a little bit if you go. I like spicy stuff, so I put a lot, but people that don't, just don't add too much. Try not to add too much because, yeah.
Just try not to. Oh, there it is. But first,
I found another ingredient, chicken bouillon. By the way, optional, you guys. This is all optional. Forgot to say, but the lettuce isn't optional because you need the lettuce. Lettuce, y oil. That's all you need, and it's not optional. You have to have it. So you guys, now you want a little bit of chicken bouillon, just a bit, and then put the rest back where it belongs. Sorry. I always go to my cousin's house.
I'm going tomorrow too. I went to their house
a week in a row. 7 days in a row.
So si no un video, mamá. Esto no quiere salir después. Okay.
Next we need tahini. I found it. I know this might look crazy, but it's really good. So now, if you want to add the lemons.
Yes, we have lemon, guys.
I like 2 lemons in mine, so I forgot. And then we need a parent to cut this, so be right back. My parents cut it for me. Next, you don't have to have a lemon squeezer, but to get out the juice out, I just use the lemon squeezer. Ooh, that's a lot of juice. Juice. Not juice. Juice. I think 2 lemons are enough. Like, that's enough. I'm gonna throw it in the trash. But it's better if you have more, right? Hey! Down! Sorry, my dog was up the table. No tables. No tables. I already just fed him, I don't know. Did you eat?
Good baby.
Very, very good. Very, very good, baby. So now, when you guys are done, you just want to when you guys are done. When you guys are done putting all your seasoning in it, shaky. This smells so good. It was cross-eyed. I can't have this smell so good. Try. That's so good. That's so good. Hopefully you guys liked it too. And have a great rest of your day. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.